Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear your forms and start over in TurboTax. Now, if for whatever reason you want to start over, you need to know that you will lose any data or any information that you input regarding your income, your expenses, and your taxes. But doing so is pretty easy. All you need to do is to go to your TurboTax dashboard. You can go there by going to turbotax.com and signing into your account or creating one if you don't have one already. Now, go to the menu on the left here, and then you'll see here under the switch products, you'll see here clear and start over. Now here they'll ask you, are you sure you want to clear your return? And that clearing your return erases your information and lets you start over. And to do so, simply click on yes, and you will have all your info cleared and you will be able to start over again.